I'll cancel anytime.
Welcome back. You're listening to Get Down to Business, the show all about small business, jobs, and entrepreneurship. I'm joined by phone by Stephen Schwartz from North Suburban Insurance Agency. Stephen, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Shalom. It's great to be with you today.
Absolutely. Happy Memorial Day weekend. It's great to have you on. So you are an expert on small business insurance issues. Tell us the basics of what a small business owner getting into business right after they incorporate, what sort of policies they need.
Well, first of all, that's an excellent bit of advice. Incorporation. Small business owners definitely should incorporate. The next step is, and I will tell you, a lot of small business owners skip this step, but they really should have insurance. It is called, for a small business owner, insurance companies have developed what is called a BOP, B-O-P, and that stands for Business Owner's Policy. The idea is, let's make it a one-stop shop of coverages for any particular business. So, as an example, let's use a small bakery. A small bakery will have certain needs, but all small bakeries will have certain needs, just as a retailer will have certain needs. So they've developed insurance policies primarily around the needs of these general businesses. And as I said, they're called BOPs. They're very simple. They're not very expensive to start out with. They can run as low as a few $100s. And this is annual. I mean, I'm not talking about monthly, but I am speaking annually. A few $100s, maybe at the high end, $1,200 or something of that nature.
And, of course, businesses that have vehicles, you might be running a pizza shop, and if you have vehicles, you're going to need to insure those vehicles as well, right?
Exactly. You would want a commercial auto policy, which is definitely different than a personal lines auto. Personal lines auto takes care of your family vehicle. Commercial auto will be for vehicles used in a commercial setting. So every small business will have little different needs. Inventories. If you have a retail operation, chances are you're going to have an inventory. You want to protect that inventory from theft, from fire, from flood. So that's another aspect that a BOP can help you with.
I love that name, the BOP. That's great. It sounds like a dance move. That's a lot of fun. I know there's nobody that understands this process better than you, and certainly we appreciate the insight. But many small business owners, after they incorporate, and as you said, incorporation is very important for next steps in growth in business to protect yourself and really establish yourself as a company. The next step often is getting insurance, but many of our listeners likely don't know exactly what they should be looking for or even what they should be asking for. So when somebody comes in to the office of AAA North Suburban Insurance Agency, do you have multiple, are you able to shop out their plans to get them the best rates and, of course, help them understand the process?
Absolutely. I mean, one of the steps that I take is interviewing the potential client, learning about their business, learning about their needs. And I will tell you, Shalom, I mean, as much as I'd like to be the perfect fit for everyone, I'm not necessarily the right agent for them. So what I will do is look and help them and guide them to the right coverages. So it's a long process. They should be interviewing their insurance agent. One of the other issues that I feel very strongly about, and you know this from our past conversations, is using your insurance agent as a networking partner. Remember, that agent is sitting across the desk from many different businesses, from many different needs. Ask what you're looking for. Are you looking for, I don't know, a handyman? Are you looking for a painter? Are you looking for whatever the case might be? Even potential customers.
That's right, Stephen. And I know that you and the team of professionals at AAA North Suburban Insurance Agency are very involved and connected in the community. So not only do you know your plans, your insurance plans, know how to shop it out and get the best pricing, but you also are connected in the community and understand a thing or two about networking. So in that spirit, we are running out of time, but I want to make sure our listeners can get a hold of you. Of course, they could always stop by your office at 7520 North Harlem Avenue in Chicago. But in the meantime, how can people get a hold of you if they want to chat about their BOP or any other small business insurance requirements?
Well, absolutely. They can give me a call at 847-677-1222, or they can reach out via my website, which is aaa.com/North Suburban. And that'll direct them to me. Again, it's 847-677-1222, or aaa.com/North Suburban.
Well, Stephen, we appreciate your advice on Get Down to Business and look forward to having you on again real soon.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Well, after the break, talking about networking and talking about being involved in community, my next guest knows a thing or two about that. We will be chatting with Stephen. We were chatting with Stephen Schwartz. We'll be chatting with Bernie Small. Mr. Networker himself, I know he has a lot of advice to share with us. He's right here in studio, and can't wait to have him on with me after the break. So coming up, Bernie Small, don't touch that dial, Chicago. You're listening to Get Down to Business, show all about small business, jobs, and entrepreneurship.